As one of Wales's flagship companies, we're proud to commit to delivering net zero carbon emissions by 2040.
With the thought of COP26 taking place in Glasgow, it's a great time to reflect on what we've achieved. In the last 10 years, we've reduced our total energy emissions by around 65%. We currently generate around 23% of our own energy, and by 2025, that'll be up as high as 35%. And then if we look beyond that, by 2030, we will have achieved a 90% reduction in our total energy emissions. And beyond that, to 2040, we will become net zero compliant.
This isn't simply a target in relation to infrastructure or operational emissions. It's about changing the way we think, plan and deliver. We're a socially responsible company with a clear purpose and vision to earn the trust of our customers every day. It's about taking responsibility for managing the biggest challenge of our time, which is climate change, focusing on the long term and ensuring we protect our customers, our communities and the wider environment, whilst leaving a fairer future for generations to come.